Welcome, my name is Kujosi, the admin of CJ Forest. I'll be taking you on our weekly analysis that will cover from 19th of June to 23 of June 2023. Before we go on, I'm going to summarize what CJ Forest represents and what CJ Forest is in for you. CJ Forest is not a broker company. CJ Forest is a Forex training academy. We offer other services, but our main theme is to train people from beginning to the master's level. If you're a beginner, if you're an old trader that have been making series of loss, CJ Forest is for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. In that way, you will be able to be getting updates on every event that happened on CJ Forest Global, especially on our weekly market analysis. So let's go on. This is our academy. We offer training from basic, intermediate, advanced, pro, apprentice, and masters. Then after that, we also offer other services that will help you to earn while you are learning. We offer cash flow robots. Our robots are in 3 versions. If you're interested, if you log into your client dashboard, click here, you will follow all the procedure. You will get access to any of the robots. Our robot is 99% profitable, and it made between 25% to 60% monthly result, and our drawdown is 10% drawdown. Then on our cash flow strategy, for those of you who are old trader who have been making series of loss in your trading skill, cash flow strategy is for you. You can get it and install it on your system and start using it to make profit for yourself. We also offer price entry and alert indicator. Price entry and alert indicator is an indicator that helps you to gives you alerts when to buy, when to sell, and where to put your stop loss. It gives 99% accurate signals, and most people use it to provide signal for themselves and their channel. Many major WhatsApp or Telegram paid channel buy this indicator from us to provide signal for themselves and their family. Okay, now we also offer account management. For those of you who are scared of trading, maybe your psychology is damaged, or maybe you are not confident about your trading capability, you can get access to our account management. Once you follow the procedure, you meet up to the requirements, you can be able to subscribe and start making money on account management. So we also provide signals for those of you who need accurate signals every day, 24 hours on all asset class, synthetic, crude, currency, S&P 500 and other BTC and everything. Get access to our VPS and get access to it. Don't forget, CJ Forex is not a broker company. Our company recommend other regulated broker. Once you come into the client dashboard, click here, you will get access to all the recommended broker from us. Our company is now on Google Play Store. You can download our app for an easy access to CJ Forex Global. Let's go straight to our weekly market analysis. I'm going to be starting with DXY and looking at what happened last week. If you look very well, DXY was bearish in move. That means dollar was very weak throughout last week, and market keep falling, but it was never rejected by any support or support level. So this coming week, we are expecting dollar to continue falling. So this is our expected stop loss, where the market will get a slight rejection. Okay, so but this coming week we should be expecting a sell in the market direction. So at the beginning of the week, market probably rise to this place. There are 2 places the market might get to, either here, within here. Here is going to be, this is the first place, the H4 time frame. It might struggle within here. It might not get here. It might first get here and start falling down, or it will get to this daily one. Within these 2 places, the market will rise first before it will start falling. But just know that dollar is going to continue selling throughout the week. So the buy might take between Monday and Tuesday and before it starts going up. Don't forget that dollar is weak throughout this period. So expect a weaker dollar throughout this week. Let's look at other assets. On Euro GBP, look at what happened last week. The market was, if you look at last week on Euro GBP, Euro tried to rise up and suddenly got rejected with a bearish move. It shows the bearish presence. That means the bulls have no strength in this market. That means British pounds will keep going down. That means British pound is going to gain strength against euro. That means euro will be weak throughout this week. Why? British pounds is going to get momentum this week. So expect a sell on Euro GBP. So because at the beginning of the market will probably rise a little bit. It might bypass here, but this is the place we are targeting for the market to rise to before it will start going down. So expect a sell on Euro GBP this coming week. On Euro USD, since USD is weak and we expect Euro is also weak, but in terms of Euro USD to still go up. So expect the market to continue buying this coming week. So it's either the market is going to fall down to this place, this particular place first, before it use 4 hours support to rise. Okay, it will rise from here and start going up, or it will get to the daily support before it rise. But the general market overview for this coming week is going to be a buy move. Then let us look at British pounds, GBP USD. On British pounds, GBP USD is going to continue making a bullish move on this coming market week. So look at the market. We expect the market to probably go to this place, either use the H4 support or the D1 support. But look at here. This is the first place we target. The market will start rising up. So at the beginning of the week, the market will probably fall down either within here, it can be here, or it can be here, it can be here. But just know that this week, GBP USD is going to be bullish this coming week. Let's look at USD CAD. On USD CAD is going to rise a little bit before falling, but the general market overview is going to be a sell. So here should be your first TP, and before you start targeting here as your second TP, here should be your first TP. Here should be where you should be looking out for opportunity for the market to sell. But the general market overview is going to be a sell. On USD CHF, we are expecting the market to also sell. So probably the market is still going to rise, make a little bit rise up. It's either going to use the H for support resistance level, either this one or this one. But the market is probably going to rise up and then fall down again. So here is going to be your first TP before you start looking out for here for your second TP. But just know that the market general overview for the week on USD CHF is going to be bearish. Australian USD is probably going to rise up this coming week because last week also showed a momentum of bullish strength. And you see the market was not fiercely rejected. So the market is going to fall down to this place before rising up. So it's either we are going to be using this place as our entry point. If the H4 is quite close, like this is H4, this is the first this thing. So my use here or use the daily one. So any of the, but just know that here is going to be your targeted take profit before you even target to get to this place. Here it should be your first TP before here will be your next TP. Then GBP JPY. On GBP JPY, look at this market now. If you look very well, you see that the market is going to also make a bullish move. British pound is strong this coming week. We are expecting it to be because last week showed a bullish strength. That means British pound gained a momentum. So we expect this market to fall down, but we don't know. This is the daily support. So we are going to be using the weekly support, the H4 support. So it might fall down to this place. It might use here as our its momentum, its support to continue going up. So we are expecting either this market fall down to this place or it fall down to this daily support, but expect the market to buy. It will buy to this top and continue buying. So because look at the way the candle closed, you know that the bulls are in charge of the market. Now on GBP CHF, the same thing. Either you use this place as your entry. Here, okay, we are going to be considering here. Okay, this market might get here, but if it finally break here, is here. So here, and let's look at H4. Do we still have a support here? So this is exactly, so here is the H4 distance support. So, but the general market overview for this particular as a GBP CHF is a buy market. So, but at the beginning of the week, within Monday, Tuesday, it will make a little bit bearish before going up. Let's look at GBP card. On GBP card, you see that the market is still going to buy because they are correlated. So looking at GBP card on daily time frame, on weekly time frame, look at how the weekly close. It closed with a momentum showing that there is still bullish strength in the market. So on this mass notice, you see that the market is going to pull down to this point. But let's look at the H4 if there is a support before the daily one. So there is a support here. Okay, there is a support here. Okay, so let's look at what the market is going to make a little bit bearish. It will fall down before going up. So here is going to be your first TP before here is going to be your second TP. Let's look at crude. What is happening on crude? What will crude look like this coming week? On this particular week, we're expecting crude to make a bearish move in the beginning of the week and start going up. Here is going to be your first TP, and then here is going to be your second TP. But expect a bullish move on crude this coming week. So that is one thing you should look at. Let's look at gold and see what gold will look like this coming week. On gold, we expect gold to be bullish this week. How did last week ended? Last week ended with a fearful rejection. What triggered this fearful rejection? It was the monthly support level. So the monthly support level rejected the market when this was the candle that eventually touched the monthly support level, and it saw the rejection that happened. Look at the way it got rejected. It has to tell you that the bulls are they are in that position. So expect a bullish move. So we expect the market to make a little bit pull down or test that same level before going up. So your first TP should be here, your second TP here, and your third TP here. So expect a bullish move at the end of the week. So this market is going to be bullish at the end of this week. So let's go straight to synthetic asset to look at what synthetic asset is going to look like. We're going to only focus on V75. V75 this coming week and what it will look like. Look at last week. Look like last week. Last week show a bullish presence in the market. That means last week showed a bullish presence. If you compare this and this, you see that there is a bullish presence in the market. So the market will continue going up this coming week. So V75 is going to make a little bit pullback, and it has started making that pullback, either to use the H4 support or use the daily support. So this is the H4 support. It's what it has broken in. So it's heading to the daily support. So let's look at how it will end. But before the weeks will run out, this coming week will run out, the V75 asset will start buying. So expect a buying market on V75 for this coming week we are entering. My name still remains Kujusi, the admin of CJ Forex Global. I hope you make the right decision and then enroll into our academy. Subscribe to all our services to help you become a perfect trader. Have a nice day and make the right decision. Thank you.